Okay, so after its initial release in China, the Xiaomi Pad 6, many months ago, many months later, ito na nga tayo. The Xiaomi Pad 6 has been officially launched in the Philippines. And ang tanong, worth it na upgrade kaya ito mula sa Xiaomi Pad 5 na unfortunately hindi ko pa nabibenta? Pero yan, at least makakompare ko yung parang dimensions niya and shit. But yeah, worth it ba na upgrade to mula sa Xiaomi Pad 5 considering na ang MSRP ng Xiaomi Pad 5 dito sa Pilipinas is 8999 or 19K. Tapos ito naman Xiaomi Pad 6, ang MSRP na ito sa Pilipinas is 21K. 20,999. Pero ito nabili ko actually ng parang early bird price. Hindi naman nila tinawag talaga na early bird price pero yeah, nabili ko lang to for 16K. So ito nga yung 8GB, 128GB variant ng Xiaomi Pad 6. Pero masabi ko pala ngayon, judging by everything that you're getting and sa price nito, I feel like this is worth every penny na gagastusin mo. And one thing talaga na kinaka-excite ko dito sa Xiaomi Pad 6 is finally, after many years ng pag-aas, naglagay na din ng Xiaomi ng USB 3 sa mga devices nila. So pretty much ang main upgrade dito sa Xiaomi Pad 6 kumpara sa Xiaomi Pad 5, bukod sa USB 3 to, USB 3.2 to be specific, is significant bump up sa chipset to. So Snapdragon 872 kumpara sa 860 na nandito sa Xiaomi Pad 5. And by the end of this video is titis ko nga magkakaalaman if talagang USB 3 nga to. Hindi true file transfer speeds pero malaman nyo mamaya. So yan, Xiaomi Pad 6. Actually, matanggal muna siguro yung plastic. And of course, dahil sa tulong sa mga vouchers, is 16K kung nga lang nabili ito mga kaibigan. Actually, a little under 16K. So safe to say na sulit yung presyong pagkabili ko dito. So ayan, Xiaomi Pad 6, Dolby Vision Atmos. So ang binili ko nga is yung Gravity Gray na color option. Unfortunately, wala siyang white option. So yun, 8GB nga with 128GB of storage, which to be honest is a bit lacking in 2023 or siguro para sa akin lang, I'm not so sure. Medyo disadvantage yun considering this doesn't have micro SD card expansion. And magkakalaman tayo if banging pa din yung speakers neto. So yun na yung tablet itself. Tapos, tingnan natin yung ibang bagay na nandito sa loob ng box. Instruction manual, usual books and shit. Take me home, country road. And mas okay of course if yes, 33W charger nga, yung sinama ni Xiaomi. Good job. And of course, ang Type A to Type C na charging cable. And mukhang di naman nata naangat tong part na to. Or baka ayaw ni Xiaomi. Napaangat to. And siguro medyo good job kay Xiaomi dito since ang ginamit na material to cover the device is yung parang gawa sa, eco bag. I'm not sure kung ano mismo tawag dito. And merong ibang specs dito na sobrang minute lang. Upgrade mula sa Xiaomi Pad 5. So 144Hz ngayon yung display neto kumpara sa 120Hz sa Xiaomi Pad 5 and 8840 mAh yung battery neto kumpara sa 8720 mAh ng Xiaomi Pad 5. Slim unibody design with metal finish. So if I'm not mistaken, like metal yung back and frame neto kumpara dito sa Pad 5 na plastic yung back neto pero aluminum frame pa din naman. Okay, so we do have a nice non-reflective finish dito sa back ng Pad 6. Thumbs up na agad doon. And meron tayong camera module dito which if I'm not mistaken is isang camera lang to, as much as Xiaomi would want you to think it's a dual camera setup. Single camera lang yan. Dual LED flash and of course nakalagay dito 13 megapixel and yung specifications ng sensor mismo. So an f2.2 aperture. Tapos dito naman isang Xiaomi branding with 3 contact points for accessories which hindi actually ako aware kung ano yung accessories na pwede mong bilhin with the Pad 6 but yeah. Okay, so if you're holding it in landscape orientation with the front-facing camera at the top, one significant change from the Pad 5 since dito sa Pad 5 is nasa top in portrait orientation ang front-facing camera nito. And actually quick side-by-side comparison ng dalawang tablet na ito. So ayan, and significantly larger ang camera module dito sa Pad 6 which ewan ko, hindi naman nata significant upgrade yun. I mean, who really takes pictures with tablets? I'm not sure. Pero yun nga, tapos here it is from the right side. On the left, of course, dito sa Pad 5 is nasa left side. If you're looking at in portrait orientation, yung parang accessory mounting point niya. So dito naman sa top, pretty much the same lang. Although dito sa Pad 5 parang may extra noise cancelling mic ka dito. And sa bottom naman is pretty similar lang sila. And as much as I want to is wala pa din na fingerprint scanner or kahit ano mga biometric sensors dito sa Pad 6. So yeah, this only works as a power button. And of course, ang volume rockers natin, which are nice and clicky. They actually stick out more here dito sa Pad 6 kumpara sa Pad 5, since dito sa Pad 5 is medyo flush siya sa frame ng device. At yan, mabuksan na nga. And let's see if may charge siya. And ewan ko kung ako lang to, but it's pretty dumb na hindi ka maglalagay ng micro SD card expansion on a tablet, which can possibly be used as a laptop replacement. So I'm just gonna set this up real quick and come back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so nagbabalik na nga po tayo mga kaibigan after a very long time of downloading Genshin, of course. So far, performance has been pretty great since kaka-unbox mo lang neto with the Snapdragon 870 plus 8 gigs of memory and that 144Hz display. Of course, hindi ko mapapakita yung high refresh rate dito as well, 30 FPS lang yung video na to. And yeah, so far it's been pretty snappy opening closing apps, although one thing na hindi pa din finifix ng Xiaomi or in-add din Xiaomi in this case is dito sa dual screen mode is hindi pa din pwedeng going up and down siya imbes na gantong side to side. So yeah, I get it, yung tablet na to more focus sa landscape orientation, kaya nga yan, nandyan yung front-facing camera niya. But disappointing pa din nevertheless, and ewan ko, hopefully something Xiaomi can add through a software update. Ngayon, one thing about the design nito is ang kapal pala talaga nung camera module nito. Like, kita nyo yan. I mean, I don't get it. It's not an amazing camera to be like this pronounced yung camera bump niya, but it's there. It barely flexes kahit na this is an 11-inch device. So yeah, very nice siya. And of course, since I feel like I have to quick camera test tayo with this 13 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel nga na front-facing camera. And of course, ang main focus sa device na to is ang performance. Well, in this case, gaming performance. And yeah, dito nga sa Genshin, nakaset tayo sa highest graphic setting, 60 FPS, and of course, motion blur turned off nga dito. And kasabay ng gaming test na to is ma-max out ko yung volume para marinig nyo na din ang booming speakers nito. Yeah, so far pretty smooth naman siya dito sa Genshin with really minimal stutters lang. And yes, medyo matagal ko din to na-test kanina, and so far, it doesn't heat up at all. Medyo warm lang, that's it. Around 35-36 lang siya. Very, very nice nga. And of course, more on sa gaming performance nito sa full review ko. And actually, siguro magta-try din ako ng mga emulators dito and shit. We shall see. I can't really say na upgraded yung speakers neto. I mean, they still sound great. Parang legit na mini boombox siya. But nevertheless, they're still great. And pagdating naman sa battery life neto, yung 8840 mAh battery dito, I would expect it to be just a bit better. Siguro, I mean, technically it is a slightly bigger battery kumpara sa Pad 5 na may 8720 mAh. And with a more efficient chipset, it should be, well, just a bit better nga kumpara sa Pad 5. So maybe this can last me about 8 hours of screen on time with battery to spare. Siguro a few days of use with light use each day. But yeah, of course, this has been a great tablet. Really, really good. And sa mga naghanap ng more budget-oriented pero siguro parang high performance na affordable na tablet, definitely consider this as a choice, pero I would really go for the 256GB variant neto. Significantly more expensive kumpara dito. And matest na nga mga kaibigan, if pwede mo din gawing switch etong Xiaomi Pad 6. So, isang Type-C to HDMI na cable. And dapat nice! Oh my god, gumagana nga siya. So, very nice. Yeah, yun lang ang sabi ko sa ngayon. Very nice. Gumagana nga, mga kaibigan. Ang diretsong Type-C to HDMI on the Xiaomi Pad 6. 2 thumbs up na kagad doon. Best tablet of all time. Charot lang. So, pretty much screen mirroring lang yun ang nangyari ngayon. Medyo magda-dive in pa ako sa settings na ito. Baka mamaya may desktop mode. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Abangan nyo nga yung full review ko neto. And para sa MSRP niya na 21k, I would say it's a pretty good value. Na actually, as of making this video, is out of stock to ngayon. So sa mga gustong bumili, kung gusto nyo bumili ngayon, is iwan ko pa din yung links dyan in the description. Tapos hintayin nyo siguro magka-stocks ulit. But yeah, so far that was the Xiaomi Pad 6. Of course, leaving a like, as always, is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications for all so you'll be updated on my latest videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Flip a bag, now I'm serving a Tesla. Going back, shawty with me, I stepped up. GTA for the ops, ain't no less stuff. Shawty born to be my angel, yeah, I'm blessed up. Cooking right up in the stew, got a cheddar